Hey guys, this is Kingy, and welcome back to the channel. This is the SheShed. I am currently working on upgrading the SheShed. I had a lot of damage done, like to the ceiling, and floors will eventually have to be done. If you are interested, I have a video up when I first built the SheShed. My dad and I built the shed, and it is by no means perfect in no kind of way, but the first time I did the floors, I did them in brown paper bag. So this time I actually went and bought a linoleum rug to put down, and I actually came in, and I'm not finished with the bar's not bolted down, but I actually bought 10, and I faced the front of the bar with 10, and doing the boards. I was running trying some lights out through here, but I may get the strip of lights to go through there. But for the time being, I came in and I redid my chairs. I peeled the leather off of this, and what I did was I mixed some house paint, a gray colored house paint, and some fabric softener, swivel tail fabric softener, nothing expensive. And I took it and I mixed it together and I covered the chairs. So they do have a nice leather-like feel to them. It's not rough or anything. It's really actually feels like leather. So yes, this is actually house paint and swivel tail fabric softener. How I redid that. I just peeled the leather off and I just painted the chairs. These were the regular light colored stools, and I just painted those. I'm thinking about putting a cushion on top of those. These were actually some chairs I got out of my neighborhood. Somebody had put them out, and one of the legs were broken. So I just fixed the leg, and I painted the chairs with the fabric softener and the house paint. That's my little speaker that I actually did a review on some time back. This table, excuse my dirty rag. This table I am actually going to, sand this down and probably do maybe a resin top on it, or I may just paint it black. But yes, that's one. These are the benches that I made. They're not perfect. These are some sofa cushions I had, and if you see, they're not exactly even, but I just cut them in half and covered them. But it do what it do for the shed, you know what I'm saying? So no big deal there. There's another one. I had some old fabric around, and I just covered the seats. But this was gonna be my bathroom, but I'm actually gonna have to cut through this wall and go back and add a bathroom because that was not set up right. So I just used that as a storage closet. That's my homemade shelf I made with the with my wine glasses, everything. I made that. For the wall, I did the wall in sponges. I went to Dollar Tree, bought a few sponges and some paint, and I didn't want to spend $200 on a wall for wallpaper. I mean, I'm in the shed, so it's just a place for me to hang out when I come home. I'm not trying to live in it. It doesn't have to be fancy and perfect or anything like that. I do have a refrigerator that's up under the countertop. I would eventually like to add a sink, a small bar sink for when I'm in here. But for right now, it does what I needed to do. I can come in here and listen to music and listen to music, hang out with my friends and stuff whenever I come into town. So this is it, because my dad's place is really small, so there's no place for entertaining or anything like that when I come home. So I like coming out here, listening to music, and but I want to share this with you. So if I can, I will link the video of when I first built the shed. And like I say, the shed is not perfect at all. There is nothing in here that's leveled right. When I say that my dad and I and my sons did this, we have no carpentry skills whatsoever. We just put this place up together. So, but it's still holding. We built it in 2018, so it's still here. Like I said, I had some roof damage that I have to go back and fix. You can't hardly tell it because of the brown ceiling, but we fixed that, and We got these up here, the beam that's going up there. I have some lights running up there. But for the most part, it was the experience of building this place with my dad. And my dad and I, we get to come out here and hang out and have fun. Oh yeah, right down there at the bottom, when I finish the shed, I got to put the tent on the side there. But I'm going to get some metal pipes, and I'm going to run them down the bottom there. I may not, but yeah, I might do that. But I have a little bit of work to do. I may just repaint the door. I'm not sure, but I may repaint the door. But yeah, this is it. I have a sign over there. I don't know if you can see this. It says SheShed. But it's more like the SheShed. It's more like this SheShed. But yeah, if you check out my some of my other videos, I've been having trouble uploading my videos to YouTube as of late. I don't know what's going on, but if you get a chance and if you're interested, go look at the SheShed build and how I did it before. If I can link that video, I will. But as for now, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tour of my SheShed that I am redoing. I just didn't want to go through doing the brown paper bag. That was time consuming. I loved it, but after I had roof damage, it damaged the floor. So, but don't get me wrong, the brown paper bag flooring, it lasted a really long time until I had the damage, which damaged the floor. So I just said, I'm not going back through that. We just put this here down, which I love. It brightens the place up. But yeah, when I'm completely finished, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. I want to say thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you would please hit that like button for me, subscribe, and share it. Share it to other social media if you like. I would love it. And drop a comment down below and tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.